So this video is coming to you from the up train again. Yes, I'm going from Toronto to Pearson Airport and I'm flying back to Victoria. I was in Toronto this time attending my own workshop. So I come to Strategic Coach and go to my own workshops because as I've always said, if you have a coach who doesn't have a coach, you need a new coach. So I coach accounting firms and of course I get coached as well. So on my business because I'm constantly growing and trying to get better at what I do and all my businesses that I have. So, you know, like I said, if you have a coach who doesn't have a coach, you need a new coach. Anyways, the reason why I wanted to shoot this video is that a very interesting topic came up at the workshop and I wanted to share it with you because it was very relevant to accounting firms. So the concept is that people pay less for something they need or people want to pay less for something they need, but they always want to pay more for something they want. And I was like, yeah, that's brilliant because that's exactly what I've been saying about in the accountant success formula for years, is that what you want to do if you want to get paid more, and I'm assuming you want to get paid more because, you know, it improves your profitability and makes you have less clients and it's a lot easier and your clients actually appreciate you more. You charge them more, which is crazy, but that's how it works. So if you want to charge higher prices, well, how do you deal with that? Well, you either have you give them what they want. So most accountants sell tax returns, financial statements, audited financial statements, and all of those things are things that they need. So I need an audited financial statement to get bank financing. I need to file tax returns so the government doesn't give me shit and I pay my taxes. But these are things that I need. I don't necessarily want them, but I need them. So there's downward pressure on price. So they're like, these are commodity services. They need them, but they don't want them. What do they really want? That's the key. If you can figure out exactly what your clients want and start tying your services into that, that's when you make more money. And it sounds like I've been repeating myself on quite a few of these videos, but it's like this point, I cannot hammer it home more and more and more. The problem with the accounting profession is that we've been taught to work in a model that sells things that people need. But that's not how you get paid top dollar. You get paid top dollar by giving them what they want. So talk to them about their bigger, brighter future and tie back in the tax returns and the tax planning and the advisory work and the financial statements and the audits to helping them get what they want. They need those things to get what they want, but you don't sell them what they need. Don't sell them what they need, sell them what they want, because they will always pay less for what they need. They'll always want to pay more for what they want. So there you go. It's very early in the morning and I'm flying back to home in Victoria, and I got a lot of notes that I'm going to be writing down about my thinking here when I've been at Strategic Coach because, you know, as I say with the Accountant Success Formula, it's not difficult. It's simple, but it's not easy because you got to change your mindset. You got to change the way you think. And so it always starts with changing your thinking. So again, the thinking is don't sell clients what they need, sell them what they want. There you go. So I'm Eric Solback, and reminding you that when you take back control of your business model, you can take back control of your life. Stay tuned for more success tips to come.